Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to draw the graph of a parabola whose vertex is located at HK. Okay, so let's have this example. We have the parabola x minus 2 squared equals 12 times y minus 1. How are we going to draw the graph? Okay, first, we identify the opening. So what would be the opening of the parabola? Since we have x squared and this is positive 12, then the parabola opens upward. Okay, then we identify the coordinates of the vertex. So, by the way, this parabola follows the form x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. And therefore, we can say that our h is from x minus 2. So this is minus 2. So positive 2. Then y minus 1, your k is positive 1. Therefore, the vertex is located at 2, 1. Then we solve for 4p. So 4p is the length of the latus rectum, and this 4p represents this one, which is 12. So 4p equals 12. Then divide both sides by 4 to get the value of p. So cancel. Therefore, p equals 12 divided by 4, 3. So the value of p equals 3. So the next step is we identify some of the parts. The approach that I'm going to use here is to plot first the vertex, and through counting, we have to identify. Okay? So, shapes. Okay, so yan. Draw lang natin ating Cartesian plane. Extend lang natin. Okay. Now, it states here that the vertex is located at 2, 1. Okay. So, where is 2, 1 here? This. So, wait lang. Okay, ayan. So, drawing ng plot natin yung 2, 1. This is 1, 2, then 1. So, this is the vertex. 2, 1. Okay? Then our P is 3. Then, the parabola opens upward. So, we just count 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So, this is the focus. So, what would be the coordinates of the focus? So, this is 1, 2. So, the x is 2. Then, y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the focus is located at point whose coordinates are 2 and 4. Then, to get the directrix, we simply count 3 units down from the vertex. So, 1, 2, 3. So, at this point, the directrix will pass through. Okay, so the directrix would be this line. Okay, and what would be the equation of this line? That is y equals 1, 2, so negative 2. So, therefore, the directrix is the line y equals negative 2. Okay? The next is the latus rectum. So what's the length of the latus rectum? That is 12. So we divide by 2. So we have 6. So we count 6 units to the left and to the right from the focus. So this is the focus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one endpoint of the latus rectum. Then to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yan. Then locate the coordinates of the latus rectum. So this point, we have from the origin, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4. Then the y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Then the other one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Same with y. 4. So therefore, the endpoints of the latus rectum are negative 4, 4, and 8, 4. Now, we can connect the points to get the or to draw the graph. Ayan. Hindi lang natin ma-perfect. Ayan. So the parabola looks like this. Okay? Now, we are going to identify also the axis of symmetry. And as you can see, the axis of symmetry is this line. Ayan. So this is our axis of symmetry. And what's the equation of this one? From the origin, we count 1, 2. So 2, this is vertical. So x equals 2. So ayan, identify na natin yung mga parts. We have the vertex at 2, 1, the focus at 2, 4, then the directrix at y equals negative 2, then latus rectum negative 4, 4, 8, 4, and the axis of symmetry, which is x equals 2. Okay? So I think we have another example. So what if the parabola opens to the right? Okay. Let's say we have y. Let's say we have y plus 3 squared equals 4 times x plus 5. So as you can see, y is squared, then this is positive 4, so the opening is to the right. Okay? The parabola opens to the right. Then, what are the coordinates of the vertex? So first, you look at the x, that is for h, so x plus 5, so negative 5. Then y for the k, so y plus 3, negative 3. So the vertex is located at negative 5, negative 3. Then what is our 4p? 4p is equal to 4, this one, so 4. Then solve for p, we divide both sides by 4, cancel, p equals 1. Then we draw the Cartesian plane. Okay, so another one. Okay, now, so vertex is negative 5, negative 3. Okay, so we need to extend this first. Okay, the vertex is negative 5, negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the vertex. Okay. Then P equals 1, so opens to the right. So you're going to move 1 unit to the right from the vertex. So this point. So this is the vertex. This is the focus. So what would be the coordinates of the focus? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4, then negative 3. Okay? Then what would be the directrix? So from the vertex, you count 1 unit to the left. So this one. So we draw. Okay. Huwag lang natin dyan. So this is our directrix. And what's the equation of the directrix? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x equals -6. So x tayo because vertical. So x equals -6. So what's the length of the latus rectum? That's 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So from the focus, count 2 units up. 1, 2. Then down. 1, 2. Okay, so what are the coordinates of the latus rectum? So this one is what? -4, -1. And this point would be -4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. So the endpoints of the latus rectum are -4, -1, and -4, -5. Then we draw the graph. Okay, something like this. Ayan. So now, what is the axis of symmetry? So we have this line. Okay, we draw the axis. Okay. Yan, this is the axis of symmetry. But no need to draw it, ha. This is my way only to show you that this line divides the parabola into two equal parts. So that's axis of symmetry. So therefore, the axis of symmetry, since horizontal, that's y equals 1, 2, 3. So -3. Okay? So I hope is it clear na sa atin kung paano mag-draw ng graph ng parabola given the vertex not at the origin.